Hey guys, happy Thursday. So, today we are going to cover the Archery Festival. Now, before we start on this chapter, I wanted to go over sequencing. Remember, guys, it is important to always know what happened first in the story and then what happened next, followed by, and then the ending, okay? It's always important to know the sequence, and when I say sequence, I mean the most important events that can, basically what you're doing is you're summarizing the passage, but telling me what happened first, second, third, and fourth, okay? Or maybe first, second, and third, okay? So sequencing is putting the events in order from first to last, okay? Now, the Archery Festival. This was actually a very funny chapter. What I found hilarious was that Robin Hood was able to disguise himself, and the sheriff was never able to realize that it was him who won the contest. Okay? How do you think the sheriff felt at the end when he was fooled? Well, if you were thinking more than upset, he was furious. You're right, guys. He was very furious that Robin Hood was able to trick him. So, this chapter just went on to talk about how the contest went, how they were shooting the arrows. Now, how many feet did they have to stand away from the archery from where their target was? You're right, 80 feet. I'm sorry, not feet, 80 yards. Okay, so they had to stand 80 yards away from the archers. Okay, now, how were they going to determine who would win? How did they determine who would win? So the prize would go to the prize would go to the archer whose arrow landed nearest to the center of the target. That's how they were going to determine who was going to win the contest. Okay, now, I'm going to give you a quick questions. It's only 5 questions, and I kind of gave you some of the answers by this review. Okay, guys? Good luck. Happy Thursday. Bye.